This is my version of the Black Dragon, my newest creation. It combines a night attack helicopter, G.I. Joe night attack helicopter, with the G.I. Joe Black Dragon. As you can see, several parts are from the Black Dragon, the wings, and the VTOL propellers, and the tail, and these little side things which are supposed to hold drones. Got a little guy under here from the Black Dragon. And then the body is from the G.I. Joe night attack helicopter. And the fuel booms are from the Sky Striker. Got a couple guys inside. And the pilot. And that Gatling gun on the front is from a 1/6 scale Chinese import. Got for about $3. And seats are from cockpits from Play School helicopter.